Angels and Dudes. DIY activated charcoal face mask to detox and purify your skin. Learn how to make a luxurious DIY face mask using a blend of detoxifying clays and skin-loving aloe that draws out impurities, naturally exfoliates, purifies and detoxes pores, and soothes skin. It's easy and quick to throw together as a last-minute handmade gift and is sure to leave your skin soft and glowing. The ingredients we're going to be using in this DIY activated charcoal face mask are aloe vera gel, which is cooling and soothing to the skin and works as the perfect base for the activated charcoal and kaolin clay in this mask. Activated charcoal, a natural exfoliant and detox agent that works well to draw out impurities from your skin. White kaolin clay, a very mild clay that can be used on normal, dry and sensitive skin because it does not draw out oils from the skin. And tea tree essential oil, which gives the face mask a fresh scent, plus it's antibacterial, making it ideal for getting rid of acne. Place the aloe vera gel into a glass bowl. Weigh the activated charcoal and white kaolin clay. Add the activated charcoal and kaolin clay to the gel. Gently stir with a whisk to incorporate. Blend until smooth and creamy. Add the tea tree essential oil and continue mixing with a whisk until fully blended. If you have extremely sensitive skin, tea tree essential oil sitting on the skin can be a little irritating. If you're concerned, you can omit it completely from the recipe. Scoop the face mask into a jar or container and label. To use, apply a medium layer to clean dry skin. Avoiding the eyes, gently massage the mask onto your face in circular motions. Allow the face mask to sit on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. When the mask is dry, use warm water to gently rinse off and pat the skin dry with a towel. There is no need to wash the skin after, but you may do so if you want to. For a full body detox, pair it with grapefruit and tea tree body wash and Invigorating organic detox body oil. The combination detoxifies, removes impurities and oil, reduces inflammation, and is antibacterial. This luxurious DIY activated charcoal face mask has lots of benefits for the skin. It treats acne, absorbs toxins, tightens pores, and smooths and brightens skin. Plus, it moisturizes your skin, making it a great weekly home beauty treatment that gives you amazing results. Pamper your skin weekly with this activated charcoal face mask. For more information, visit angelsanddudes.com. Angels and Dudes, don't forget to subscribe!